welcome back with another video, and today I'll be reinstalling a Amazon wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. The wig is from YMS. You get lashes, wig cap, and elastic band. Thank you card, and it tells you how to wash the wig. I believe I had this wig for at least 2 years now. It is a 13 by 4 24-inch 100% human hair. Look at the color of this wig, you guys, and the density is full. I love this wig down. There are some people who are literally just put the wig on fresh out of the box. Stop doing that and remove this wig, because it's not gonna be easy for you if you do this. Take it off, put it on the mannequin head, and you want to literally push all the hair going to the back. Find whatever part you want on, and then take your wax stick and your hot comb to slick the hair going to the back. When you slick the hair and take your wax stick, it's going to be way easier to install your wig. I promise you, I do this every single time I want to install my wig or reinstall the wig. I'm going to take out some hair and pull it out to create a new hairline, because that hair does not need to be there at all. Continue sleeking all the hair going to the back. Remember, it's going to be easier to install your wig when you sleek everything going to the back, which is perfect. 10 out of 10. I definitely do recommend this method. Very beginner friendly. Y'all see how it's easier and everything is sleek to the back? Now put the wig on, and as y'all can see, it's already about to be an easy, quick install. Y'all see the lace, but you're gonna cut the extra lace off later on. But I'm about to push all the hair going to the back and start installing my wig using the Kiss Lace Bond Spray level 9. I spread it out with my fingers, and then once you do that, I blow dry it on hot setting so it can get tacky. And then I keep doing that. I want to do at least 2 layers of the Kiss Lace Bond Spray. You would definitely know once it's tacky, because it's going to literally be sticky. As y'all can see, it's sticky on my hand. It's no longer going to be sliding, as y'all can see it's sliding right now. But once you blow dry it on hot setting for some minutes, it's going to be tacky. I ran out of the Kiss, so I have to use some more. And as y'all can see, I'm about to lay the lace down in sections. When you lay the lace down, press it into your skin. Then you want to take your comb to push all the hair out of the lace, because you don't want hair inside the lace. That does not give you a clean install. And cut the extra lace off. You just want to lay the lace down naturally before you cut extra lace off, of course. When you lay the lace down, push the lace into your skin, just like how I'm doing. As y'all can see, it's still extra lace, so you want to cut that extra lace off using your eyebrow razor. Do this slow so you won't cut yourself, and you want to get every little piece, of course. And then you want to use the Kiss Lace Bond Spray on pieces that is lifting, so that you will know that your wig install is going to last and lay. Before I lay the other side down, I'm using the Kiss Lace Bond Spray on the edges first, and then I'm going to literally lay the lace down, blow dry it again on hot setting so it can get tacky, and lay the lace down. Once you do that, use the end of your comb to get the edges, so that way you know that your lace is not lifting at all. Blow dry it on cold setting. Once you blow dry it on cold setting, you will know that your wig is laid down.
Right back in, Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a alien. Gotta ask again. Then she got it tripping off another yet again.
And where is the lace? The lace is laid and giving scalp already. Now I'm pushing the baby hairs out of the lace, because that is not cute, before I start melting the lace. I heard when you shave the edges of the lace down on an old wig, your wig install will look way better and natural.
Talking about a nigga, I'm finna nail her ass at home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Mace, I made her tell me what she want.
Now it's time to put on my melting band, and I'm literally gonna leave this band on for 15 to 20 minutes. Once I remove this melting band, it should look like scalp. This is only the first melt, you guys. This is how the lace should look before you add makeup to the lace. I'm using Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation level 12. A little bit goes a long way. Then you're going to use some makeup inside the part so it can give scalp. the Frontal Queen melting spray, spray it in the bottle, and use the Frontal Queen makeup brush and apply it down to the lace. And as you can see, the lace is already disappearing. The Frontal Queen products are literally tea, you guys. You need a second melt, so we're gonna do this second melt after the melting spray. And then when I tell you your lace is going to be melted, like, where is the lace? You can't even see the lace. This is the Kiss Lace Bond Spray. My wig is stuck like glue, you guys. Wig milk spray. I usually use this on synthetic wigs, but today we're going to use it on a human hair wig. It is a leave-in conditioner, so I'm just going to literally use it just to soften up this wig a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my wax stick and my hot comb to slick this hair some more on my head, because you don't want your wig to be Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. So do this slow so your wig can be flat. Then I'm about to start curling this hair in sections. When you curl it, you want to literally roll it over. Make sure the white part is literally facing up, and then you want to roll it all. You want to hold it for a few minutes and pin curl it. When you pin curl it, your curls are going to last a little bit longer. I'm telling y'all now. I learned this the hard way. Pin curls are very much tea. I'm going to use a little bit of hair serum on the hair, so that way it can be softer and a little bit of shine. If you want your curls to last, use hairspray. I do use the Kiss Lace Bond Spray on the hair, so that way it can literally last. Comb all the hair going to the back into this bank style, which I love. And I'm going to take my hot comb to lay down this wig flat, because you don't want your wig to be humpty that much. And then I'm going to separate the curls, so that way it don't give those old grandma curls and give you that flawless, nice wavy curls.
California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. You no. I've been thinking about you. You no.
Look at my hair, y'all. Like I said, this wig is from Amazon and it's at least 2 years old. Stop throwing away your old wigs. You can definitely revamp your wigs and make it brand new again. No hair appointment needed. 2 years plus, and look at the lace. The lace is melted, y'all. The curls are still here, brand new, you guys. If you guys want this wig, I will leave it down below. But look at this color, y'all. This wig came out tea. Learn how to install your wigs or reinstall your wigs and stop throwing it away.